Today is what we're gonna call a light work day. Simple tire change. You think a lot of people know how to change a tire, but sometimes it just don't come to them like that. Don't come to them. I'll get it changed. I done got it broke loose. I'm still tripping off the fact that they got 20-inch tires on a Ford Edge. When did Ford become so popular? They need to use a 20-inch tire. Take it to the tire shop, and I gotta charge for the labor and the time that it's gonna take. But explain to the customer that they could have went and did a lot of this yourself. That'll be just stupid. That'll be bad. Game ain't being sold. It's just being told. I guess I gotta get back to selling the game. Oh, that's all. Get the jack stand under there. And it's gonna be time to take a trip. Take a trip. Easy day. Running back there, straight down. I'm running ready for the road trip. So much crap gotta get done around here. When you're a one-man army, it's kind of different. Got Zeus just getting away from the rain. Gator, big baby back there. Black Ops, should dry shirt bark. Actually thinking about LS swapping is like 5.3. I'll find a 6.0. A lot of people say 5.3 just as powerful. Mama ready to get her fixed. It's coming soon though. Coming soon. Gotta get it going too. But today's job is a simple tire. Looking like it's time for that tire job to make something happen. Send the people to cash up, they send the money. Once they send the money, I start moving. So I got a thing I call the 4 M's. It's called Money Make Me Move. So when they send the money, start seeing stuff like this happen. Rolling around and getting straight to it. Got to get to this tire shop, have them switch the tire, get the rim, and get back and put it back on and send them on about their way. Let y'all know what's going on here in a minute. Hopefully this will be a successful tire job and it doesn't cost me more than what I'm making. Look like Green Auto pulled through. Definitely look like a match to me. That's a new one. So tire, we're gonna throw this up on here. We about the Autobots roll out. Make sure everything. Look like we made it over to the VIP tire spot. We'll sit back and relax while they swap that, get it on the car, and then I'd say mission accomplished. We're back. The 454 Dually, known as Strodamus, got us back. Successful tire day on. Cracked tire, the customer could take that back at their own leisure and get their money. I'll give them a receipt. I even got a free tire in it. This is coming with me. Yeah, we can sell that to somebody later. It happened to come with the tire, but we have to say a successful day. I don't know how much I'm gonna spend in fuel, but job complete.